Verify your Google Ads identity in less than a minute. Here's how. You've probably received an email like this asking you to verify your identity. Once you get it, you have 30 days to submit the relevant documents. And if you don't, your ads will stop running and your account will be frozen. So here's how to do it. Click on the link in the email and go to this page. If you didn't receive an email, then go to your Google Ads account and click the billing icon and then advertiser verification. Click start verification and complete the business section. We're not setting up an agency account, so we'll click no here. And then choose the payment option and click submit. Google is letting us know here what we'll need to continue with the process. It differs between regions, so I'll leave a link below to a page that tells you what you need for your country. So we'll start the verification. Fill in the requested information, then click submit. In some cases, Google will ask for more information. As you can see here, they're asking for specific documents that we need to upload. Once you submit the information, you'll need to wait for Google to verify your details, which takes 3 to 5 business days. Click got it. And here you can see that our verification is under review. And that's it. Your Google Ads identity verification done in 1 minute. So now we wait, and we'll come back once verification is complete. The notification will be sent via email. If you're watching this on YouTube, this video is part of our free Google Shopping course on our website. It's 100% free and shows you everything you need to know on how to set up and optimize and scale your shopping campaigns. I'll leave a link to the course down below. If you found this video helpful, please hit this button and leave a comment down below.